this isn't going worth a fiddler's shit. I told myself I was gonna fish for 3 beers and I got half of the third left, so something better start happening. We'll see. Eventually, you'd think a stupid fish would at least run into it. I didn't get it on film, but I got him. Holy shit. Somebody needs to start paying attention. Small little catfish. You know the weirdest part about making these YouTube videos is when there's people around and they look at you like you're crazy because you're standing over here talking to yourself. And then I go do shit like that.
What we do here is go back.
There's the catch of the day.
Holding my whale.
A little bigger.
That's kind of neat.
Damn it, David.
What?
You missed him. Coming from the guy that hasn't caught a damn fish yet. Get him. You got something.
That's cool looking.
Yeah, it's a flathead. Just cut it. Let me see it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Whatever it is. Huge. Oh, for real. Oh, man.
You see it? Where's the net?
Back of the truck.
Let me do it. Hold on a minute.